Welcome to claddingforless.com, your trusted supplier of 1.5mm PVC wall cladding sheets designed for both trade and DIY projects. We supply and install budget 1.5mm PVC wall cladding sheets at unbeatable prices. These panels are available in two lengths, 2.4 meters and 3 meters, and are by 1.2 meters in width. They are lightweight yet durable, and an ideal choice for anyone needing affordable hygienic wall protection. We recommend our 1.5mm cladding for smooth flat walls. If your substrate has bumps, uneven plaster, or tile grout lines, these may show through. We stock a full range of cladding sizes to suit all wall types. Let's look at the benefits of these PVC cladding sheets. First, they provide a seamless, wipe-clean surface that makes it easy to maintain hygiene in any setting. Unlike tiles, there are no grout lines to trap dirt or bacteria. They are completely waterproof, preventing moisture buildup and protecting walls from mold. Sheets are fire-rated to EN13501-1 Euroclass BS3D0 and designed to be impact-resistant. These sheets can withstand the demands of busy environments. An installation couldn't be simpler. They can be fitted directly to most wall surfaces using our range of PVC panel adhesives, trims, and silicone sealants. Together, these features make budget PVC cladding a smart, low-maintenance solution for both commercial and residential space. At Cladding for Less, we offer the lowest prices in the UK on PVC cladding without compromising on quality. We offer a no-quibble 30-day return window, and every sheet is backed by our industry-leading lifetime defect warranty. We offer both standard and next-day delivery options to suit you. Visit us online at claddingforless.com to get started. Thanks for watching.